That's an amazing thing, and maybe that's a conversation that needs to be pushed out across. As we push the regenerate, what are they called, the renewables.
Yeah. And actually, we should talk about that maybe in the next topic, like the next Wednesday. The next time we meet is to talk about these different ways that we can use, CMOS or CMOS byproducts to, change different things in the environment, like fertilizers and stuff like that. I'd be curious to see how it could be used, like you mentioned biofuels, but like, could it be somehow made into like a briquette or something that we can use as a fuel source? Like recently, I saw a documentary or a video where they were talking with this guy who developed a way to take coconut shells and turn them into charcoal. Right? What if we can do something similar with seaweeds or sagassum and break it down into a fuel that can be burnt, or a fuel that, like you said, that can turn into like a biofuel that can be used in diesel engines and stuff like that.
Yeah, I make fertilizer out of seaweed, and the the end product, which is fermented seaweed, could be used as fish food.
Mm-hmm.
I know that for a fact, and it could be carbonized to biochar, which would be an additive in soil, and as you carbonize it, energy is released, so that could be used as steam drying for the seaweed.
Mm-hmm.
I think the potential is very necessarily limited by your imagination.
Yeah.
So to say. For my fertilizer production, I'm getting a press, and when I get this press, it could also use to press oil from coconut. So that's something I'm going to get into, and of course the coconut waste has so much. It's more solid. Yeah.
Yeah. I've been really trying to find ways to use find different products with coconut. So besides using it as a charcoal, another one I looked at was turning it into um the what do they call it? Cocoa core, which is basically, coconut basically coconut turn the fibers, they turn it into like a soil, and they use it for planting for vegetables and stuff like that. And
I know a bit about that. There's the hard husk, the cover that encases the coconut flesh. That is what could be going to the fuel source. But then there's a soft outer material, and like you said, it could be used to make ropes, cocoa, and even the ropes for seaweed farming.
Yeah.
They talk about that if they are coated so that they don't break down. And then there's of course the cocoa pit, which is the dusty part.